Create a gallery wall with affordable prints or DIY artwork. Choose budget-friendly frames from thrift stores or online sales and mix in personal touches for a unique, stylish look. Thrift stores and online marketplaces are gold mines for stylish furniture on a budget. Look for vintage pieces that can be easily upcycled with a fresh coat of paint or new upholstery. Instead of buying expensive pillows, make your own. Choose affordable fabric and sew or glue pillow covers to update your existing cushions with trendy patterns or textures. Update your lighting with affordable floor lamps or pendant lights. Choose minimalist styles that fit your space and swap out outdated fixtures for something modern and fresh. Repurpose and reimagine items you already have. Turn an old ladder into a bookshelf or use mason jars as vases to give new life to everyday objects while staying within your budget. Skip the expensive drapes and opt for budget-friendly alternatives like sheer curtains or inexpensive Roman shades. These options create an airy, modern feel while saving you money. Rugs and textiles can make a huge impact without the high cost. Shop for budget-friendly rugs or find beautiful vintage pieces that fit your space and style. Faux plants can look just as stylish as real ones without the upkeep. Look for realistic-looking greenery to bring life and freshness to your living room. Create an accent wall with peel-and-stick wallpaper or paint. A feature wall in a bold color or fun pattern can completely transform the space without a high price tag. Build your own shelves using affordable wood or repurposed crates for a trendy, industrial look. Shelving units help organize and add character without a hefty price tag. Incorporate bold, statement-making chairs in your living room. Search for affordable accent chairs in unique fabrics or colors to add personality to your space. Open shelving is an affordable way to add storage and style. Use floating shelves to display books, decorative objects, and plants for an organized yet decorative space. Create your own artwork. Use inexpensive canvases and paint to make abstract pieces, or frame fabric swatches and patterned paper for an affordable yet artistic vibe. Repurpose old furniture into unique coffee tables. Turn a vintage trunk, wooden pallets, or even an old door into a functional, stylish centerpiece. Stick to a neutral color scheme for a timeless, cohesive look that doesn't require constant updates. Incorporate varying shades of beige, gray, and white for a modern, elegant feel.